Hi, I'm Julianne Chaco, Assistant Director at the PTSMC Orange Clinic and PTSMC's Student Program Coordinator, and today you'll be introduced to the DOCS program, Development of Clinical Success Program. You'll hear about the program components, why it was developed, and how it benefits us as clinicians as well as our patients. We'll also highlight two clinicians who will give their own accounts of the program and the value it has held for them. The Director of Clinical Excellence, Danielle Dunn, and Mentorship Coordinator, Sam McMullen, will take you through the details.
Hi, I'm Danielle Dunn, and I am PTSMC's Orthopedic Residency Director and Clinical Excellence Director. I mentor and instruct courses in our DOCS program, and I am a clinician in our PTSMC Wallingford office. The Development of Clinical Success Program, or DOCS program for short, is unique to PTSMC and is one of our three components of our Clinical Excellence program. Our Clinical Excellence program is an internal program that provides our clinicians advanced training and assistance to excel personally and professionally at PTSMC. It is comprised of three components. We have external continuing education, we have an accredited orthopedic residency program, and our DOCS program, the Development of Clinical Success. In this video, we will be focusing on our DOCS program. Why clinicians love our DOCS program? It provides some of our continuing education hours for our clinicians. It allows our younger clinicians and newer clinicians to connect with PTSMC faculty, mentors, and clinicians from other locations. It also provides monthly structured one-on-one mentorship hours for our new clinicians. It is an opportunity to collaborate and share ideas and knowledge among colleagues, and it's something you won't find at other physical therapy companies.
So the clinical mentorship portion of the DOCS program is highly valued by our new grads. It's a real asset because it provides one-on-one sessions with our more experienced PTs. We look to complete about 6 sessions over the course of the first year, and you can request up to 12. It's a great way to become more confident, efficient, and effective with your treatment skills. To understand the value of the program, let's hear from some of our recent graduates.
I think the DOCS program is really advantageous. To my knowledge, there's no other PT companies in the area that provide this level of support and promotion for clinical excellence. I think it gives our clinicians great hands-on training to improve and learn new skills, as well as you gain continuing education units for these courses, which is very helpful for maintaining your license renewal.
The DOCS program was definitely an advantage to other companies since they do offer the mentorship program and courses for the first year that you're working that can help to further your skills.
The mentorship portion was a very valuable experience where you're paired with another seasoned clinician. This clinician co-treats with you and helps develop your thought process with different patients that you're seeing. I thought in particular this was helpful when thinking through my more complex patients as it helped improve my treatment approaches with these individuals.
So my favorite part of the DOCS program was the mentorship portion. I felt like I could bring my more challenging patients to the clinic when my mentor was there, and they could help me come up with new ideas for patients I was struggling with or patients that just weren't getting better. I also enjoyed the in-person courses. It was great to be able to learn some new techniques in person and be able to practice it with other clinicians.
I definitely thought the journal club was a valuable way to keep up on current literature. During the journal club meetings, new articles were discussed, and it was a helpful way to ensure that your practice stays current.
The journal club helped to force me to read some research, which I probably wouldn't have done otherwise. And then during the meetings, we would think critically about the research to think of the flaws and what the clinical applications of the research was.
Yeah, so my advice would be to encourage you to participate in what this program has to offer. You definitely get more out of it the more you participate. It's also really important to be open to different types of treatment ideas and treatment approaches when going through the program. It's also good to view it as not only a learning experience, but also a way to meet and network with other clinicians within PTSMC.
I hope this overview has been helpful for you. If you're interested in connecting with us or for more information about DOCS and the Clinical Excellence Program, please email myself or Danielle or visit ptsmc.com. We hope to connect with you soon.